Short form video content has been all the rage lately, taking creators from 0 followers to millions faster than you can say 1, 2, 3. But what separates the content creators that end up going viral from the millions that end up failing? Well, in this video I will be answering exactly this question, giving you a bulletproof formula for succeeding not only on Instagram Reels, but on TikTok, YouTube Shorts and even Pinterest story ideas. Let's go! First, let us begin by answering the question, what makes a video go viral? Of course, nobody knows the exact strategy, otherwise all of us would be superstars.
Frank.
Having said that, by reverse engineering all of the viral short form video content throughout the years, we can make a really accurate guess on what makes a video go viral. My guess is that if a video has these three elements, musicality, shareability and watchability, it has a pretty good chance of going viral. If you want to learn more about what makes a video go viral and take a look at some of the examples I have brought for each of these factors, I have done a full breakdown in the video which you can see right here. Now that we have understood what are some of the factors that are driving a video to go viral, how do we actually implement it in our own content? Now, before you be like, the formula for viral videos is actually quite simple. It goes like this: G plus W plus E, all in brackets, multiplied by Q equals virality.
What does this mean?
I'm glad you asked. T stands for the topic of your video. It has to be relatable if we want users to share it with their friends, family, coworkers, etc. W stands for watchability. The video needs to be engaging, hooking users in the first seconds and easy to consume until the rest. Because if your watch rate isn't close to 100 or even surpassing 100%, then your chances of going viral are close to 0. And lastly, E stands for entertaining. Your video, even if it's educational, needs to be bringing in some entertaining value due to the nature of the short form video content. And of course, Q stands for quantity. You need to be consistent in your video schedule and consistently experimenting with new ways to bring value to your audience through short form video content if you want to stand out. Great content creators aren't born, they are created, so make sure you keep practicing your short form video content skills, and the rest, the watchability, the shareability, the relatability, they will all follow. Just like I am practicing becoming a better YouTube creator. So if you enjoy videos like this one, make sure you smash that like button as it gives me a ton of valuable feedback. And remember, stay brave.